Are you wondering if the new iPhone 16 actually can record 4K 120? Well, I have some bad news. Only the iPhone 16 Pro model can actually do that. The regular 16 can't really do that. So actually this is the first year that iPhones can actually record at 4K 120. So they really worked some magic on their CPUs this year, basically on the Pro model, to make this happen basically. By the way, again, we can still record at 120 frames per second on the regular 16, but that is going to be at like regular Full HD and not 4K actually. By the way, also on the regular 16, the main camera is actually worse than on the Pro model. So this sensor size on the iPhone 16 basically, so it's 1/156 inches, while the iPhone 16 Pro sensor is actually quite a bit larger. So as you can see, and also the technology, when you check all the camera specs, is actually better on the Pro model. So if you actually want this stuff, really you should go for the Pro model this year. Maybe the regular iPhone 17 next year will get this function. This year, really, I think if you need actually really great cameras, you should go for the Pro model, because yeah, it's way better in pretty much most areas when it comes to the cameras over the regular 16. Anyway, good luck.